Let's be real. Who hasn't scrolled through TikTok and thought, wait, could that actually work? From DIY beauty tricks to kitchen shortcuts, TikTok is flooded with viral hacks that promise quick fixes and magic results. But here's the question. Are these hacks really the game changers they seem to be, or are we all falling for some clever editing? Before you try the next life-changing hack, stick around. We're breaking down the top 7 viral TikTok hacks to see if they really live up to the hype, or if you're better off skipping them. And trust me, some of these may surprise you, especially hack number 3. The frozen cucumber for pore tightening. You've probably seen it, the TikTok video showing people rubbing frozen cucumber slices all over their faces to tighten pores and reduce puffiness. Sounds easy and refreshing, right? But here's the truth. The coldness can reduce swelling temporarily, but cucumbers won't do much for shrinking your pores in the long run. Pore size is mostly genetic, and while cold compresses can help with inflammation, there's no scientific proof that cucumbers are any better than a cold spoon. It's a fun trend, but don't expect miracle results. Instead, you can incorporate niacinamide, or vitamin B3, into your routine. It's a proven ingredient known to help minimize pore appearance, reduce inflammation, and regulate oil production, which makes pores less noticeable over time. You can find niacinamide in serums and moisturizers, and it's backed by science for long-term benefits. Alternatively, chemical exfoliants like salicylic acid or glycolic acid can also help keep pores clear and reduce their visibility by removing dead skin cells and excess oil. Regular use can lead to smoother, clearer skin and a more even texture, which cucumbers can't achieve alone in your skincare routine. Now, speaking of skincare, let's talk about a hack that might actually do more harm than good: using glue to remove blackheads. The idea is simple. Spread a layer of school glue on your nose, let it dry, and peel it off to reveal supposedly all those pesky blackheads. But here's the truth. Glue is not designed for your skin, and using it regularly can clog your pores even more, causing irritation and breakouts. It may feel satisfying to peel off, but it's definitely not helping your skin. Instead, stick to products designed to remove blackheads, like a salicylic acid cleanser. It's a much safer and more effective option. Salicylic acid works by exfoliating inside the pores, dissolving the oil and debris that can lead to blackheads. Over time, this not only clears your skin, but also helps prevent new blackheads from forming. Salicylic acid will give you real results without risking a breakout, unlike glue. But if you thought the glue was risky, just wait until we talk about the lemon juice hack. Lemon juice for skin brightening. This hack has been around for ages, and TikTok brought it back in a big way, using lemon juice as a natural skin brightener. Sure, it sounds like a cheap, all-natural solution to dull skin, but it can be very dangerous. Lemon juice is highly acidic, which can cause irritation, dryness, and even chemical burns if exposed to sunlight. While vitamin C is great for brightening, there's a reason skincare products use stabilized versions of it, not raw lemon juice. It's a quick way to make your skin worse, not better. Instead of using lemon juice, opt for a vitamin C serum that is specifically formulated for skin use. These serums contain stabilized vitamin C, which provides all the brightening benefits without the harsh side effects. Vitamin C serums can help reduce dark spots, even out skin tone, and give you that radiant glow safely. Stick to products that are made for your skin, so you don't risk turning a brightening hack into a painful mistake. Now, if you think that's bad, wait till you hear about people using hair dryers to set their makeup. Hairdryer to set makeup. This is one of the stranger hacks out there, using a hairdryer to set your makeup. The idea is that blowing cold air will lock in your makeup for a flawless, long-lasting look. But in reality, this can cause uneven drying and patchiness. Plus, if the air is too hot or even too cold, it can irritate your skin. A setting spray does a much better job of keeping your makeup in place without the risk of damaging your skin. Setting sprays are specifically designed to keep your makeup in place for hours, without the risk of uneven application or irritation. They also help to keep your makeup looking fresh and vibrant throughout the day. And if you think using a hairdryer is a bit extreme, hear this next one: using toothpaste for acne. This hack has been debunked over and over again, but it keeps coming back, especially on TikTok. Yes, toothpaste has ingredients like baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, which can dry out a pimple, but it is also full of things that can irritate your skin, like fluoride and menthol. Using it regularly can lead to irritation, redness, and even breakouts. Instead of reaching for the toothpaste, try using over-the-counter acne treatments specifically formulated for acne-prone skin. Products with benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid are much more effective and gentle. Benzoyl peroxide works by killing acne-causing bacteria and reducing inflammation, while salicylic acid helps to unclog pores and exfoliate dead skin cells. These treatments are designed to target acne without the risk of irritating your skin or causing additional issues. Speaking of questionable skincare hacks, Now let's talk about the viral hack. Ice facials for glowing skin. Okay, this one sounds simple. Rubbing ice cubes on your face for glowing, youthful skin. And yes, cold therapy can reduce puffiness and temporarily tighten the skin, but it's not going to give you a long-term glow. Overuse of ice can actually damage your skin's barrier, leading to dryness and irritation. Instead, if you're looking for that healthy glow, focus on a skincare routine that includes hydration, exfoliation, and proper moisturization. Hydrating serums and creams keep your skin plump and dewy, while regular exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells and brighten your complexion. Using a high-quality moisturizer ensures that your skin stays nourished and balanced, giving you a natural, lasting glow without the risks associated with overusing ice. Now, while ice can be refreshing, this next TikTok hack takes refreshing to the extreme. Freezing your beauty blender. This is an odd one. Freezing your beauty blender before using it to apply makeup. The claim is that the cold sponge will make your foundation go on smoother and give you an airbrushed finish. But in reality, a frozen beauty blender can stiffen the makeup, making it harder to blend. And the moisture from the ice can cause your makeup to break down faster. So instead of freezing your beauty blender, just use it damp at room temperature. This method helps to evenly distribute your foundation and blend it seamlessly for a flawless finish. A damp beauty blender absorbs less product, allowing for a smoother application and a more natural look. If you've ever tried or considered trying any of these TikTok hacks, now you know what's worth it and what's better left on your For You page. These viral trends might seem tempting, but many of them don't work and instead damage your skin more. So instead of jumping on every trend, it's best to stick with proven skincare solutions that actually work. Incorporate ingredients like niacinamide, salicylic acid, and vitamin C serums into your routine for real, lasting results. And if you're curious about collagen masks that actually work, don't stop here. Head over to this next video, where you'll learn about how to make the most effective collagen masks at home. Click now, because the glow up you're looking for is just one video away.